Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda CRV rear wiper. First, make sure you have your new wiper blade ready, along with a small flathead screwdriver. Park your CRV on a level surface and turn off the engine. Now, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. This gives you clear access to the blade for removal. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll see a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly with your thumb or the flathead screwdriver. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down and off the arm's hook. It should detach with a gentle pull. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the window. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. To finish up, turn on your ignition and activate the rear wiper with some washer fluid. Watch to ensure the new blade clears the window smoothly without streaks or noise. Remember to check your wiper blades every few months for signs of wear, like cracks or tears, to maintain clear visibility. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.